Hello everybody, and welcome to VariaDoc. In this video, I'll explain what input parameters are and how you can use them in your merge project. Let's say that we have Excel files, Acme Corp, and Warbucks Inc. Each Excel file holds employee information for each company. We want to run a merge and pass the company name as an input parameter. This parameter will then select the corresponding Excel sheet and run the merge for that sheet only. In this video, I'll demonstrate this by extending the merge project from the introduction video. Let's quickly recap that one first. The merge project uses an Excel spreadsheet as its data source. As we can see here, it uses a specific file called data. The output document is right below the data source, which means that we generate a document for each row in the Excel sheet. All files will be saved in folder Out, and the merged form has a unique name based on the index of the row in the Excel sheet. If we select the form field First Name, we can see that it's bound with Excel column First Name. The same is true for Last Name and Social Security number. Now, let's change this project so that we can work with multiple Excel files and tell VariaDoc what Excel file to use by passing a parameter. First, we copy the original Excel file. We rename them to Acme Corp and Warbucks Inc. We change the data in the new Excel file so we have a new set of employees. Next, we select the project and the Input Parameters tab. Here is where the input parameters are defined. We click New and name the input parameter Company. We cannot merge without this parameter, so we check Required. We also want to enter it at the start of the merge, so we check Prompt in Interactive Mode. Finally, we give it a default value, Acme Corp. Now that we've added the input parameter, let's use it to select the correct Excel spreadsheet. We do that by going back to the Data node and change the file name so that it uses the company parameter. We select the first and only sheet and verify the configuration by previewing the data. We also want VariaDoc to save the merged forms in a folder named after the company. We do that by going to the properties of the output document and use the input parameter to set the output folder like this. Let's merge the content and see what happens. VariaDoc first prompts for the value of the company parameter. We specify Acme Corp. The log shows that 8 documents have been created, one for each row in the spreadsheet Acme Corp. If we open the project folder, we see that VariaDoc created a folder Acme Corp and saved the merged forms in this folder. Let's do the same for Warbucks Inc. We hit Merge and specify Warbucks. Now a folder Warbucks Inc. has been created with 5 merged forms, one for each row in our Warbucks Inc. spreadsheet. In this video, we introduced the concept of an input parameter. Input parameters make a merge project more generic and purposeful. Check the video Run VariaDoc from the command line to see how input parameters can be passed as a command line argument. If you have any questions, contact us at hello@variadoc.com.